Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Walmart account, manage orders and payments online step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Type Walmart.com in the address bar and press enter to go to the official Walmart website. Look at the top right corner of the page and find the account or sign in option. Click sign in to open the Walmart login page. If you are using the Walmart app, open the app and tap the account icon at the bottom or top of the screen. On the login screen, click or tap email address to place the cursor in the first field. Type the email address or mobile number linked to your Walmart account carefully. Click or tap password and enter your Walmart account password. Double check for typos, especially if you are using autocorrect on mobile. If you are on a personal device, you can choose to stay signed in for faster access next time. Click or tap the sign in button to log into your account. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset it. Complete any security verification steps, such as a code sent to your email or phone, if requested. After signing in, open the account menu again to access your account dashboard. To manage orders, click or tap Purchase History or Orders to see your recent and past purchases. Select an order to view details like items, price, delivery address, and tracking information. Use Track Shipment to follow delivery updates if the order is on the way. If you need to make changes, check for options like Cancel Items or Return Items, depending on the order status. For returns, follow the on-screen return steps and choose a return method such as store drop-off or shipping. To manage payment methods, go to Account Settings and open Wallet or Payment Methods. Click Add a payment method to save a new credit card, debit card, or other supported option. Enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address exactly as shown on your statement. Choose Set as Default if you want Walmart to use this payment method automatically at checkout. To update a card, select the Save Payment method and choose Edit to change details. To remove a card, choose Remove and Confirm, but keep at least one valid method if you shop often. For billing and digital receipts, open Purchase History and select an order to view receipts and payment confirmation. If you see an unexpected charge or order, contact Walmart support from the Help section for account assistance. When you finish, sign out by opening the account menu and selecting Sign Out, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.